Set different alarm information for each alarm button. First, let's take a look at the wiring of the FC7664 Probus alarm host. Open the host cover and you can see the device wiring diagram. Pay attention to the wiring of the keyboard. And the wiring of the bus loop. Connect the bus circuit to the address module and then connect it to the detector. The detectors here are emergency buttons. Connect the 4 wires of the keyboard to the corresponding wiring terminals of the host. The bus terminals are 485+, 485 and power. The brown wire is 485+, the blue wire is 485, and the black wire is the power. The address module has 6 wires. Other 3 wires are 12+, G1 and COM. This is the audio output port. Connect it to the speaker. Let's test it. Arm the system. Press the emergency button. Send out fire alarm information and voice guidance. So, we finished testing of address module E. Disarm the system. Power off and change to the address module R. Power on and arm the system. Press the emergency button. Send out fire alarm information. Play fire drill prompts and guidance voice. Repeat the above steps to test address modules 3 and 4. Different alarm information can be set for each address module.